Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is specially for you, so let's start. A warm welcome to all my lovely viewers. I'm glad you're all here. So guys, welcome to my channel Norina with Decor, your favorite spot. Get comfy because this video about to begin. A big hello to my audience. Today we are talking about wooden table design ideas or wooden stool design ideas in different styles, color combination and sizes. So please guys, watch this video till the end so you don't miss any other amazing videos like this one. Wood art is from natural wood. It hangs beauty to any space. Wood has a warm and earthy feel. Artists shape wood into amazing designs. Wooden art can be small or big. Some pieces is unique. No two wood grains are the same. That makes every art piece special. Woodwork need practice and care. Artists spend hours on one space. They smooth the wood with sandpaper. Then they cut the shape it designs or curve with love. Some art has deep meaning, other or just for decorations. Wood forms look elegant. Wall hanging made to wood are popular. Wooden lamps create a cozy lights. Table and chairs can be artworks too. Many people loved wooden sculpture. Animals shapes are common. Flowers and trees are also carved. Some wooden art tell us a story. Artists sometimes paint on wood. Colors add more life to the pieces. Traditional designs are full to culture. Modern wood art are simple and sleek. Some pieces mix wood with metal. Wood can also be burned for art. This is called pyrography. It creates dark, lovely patterns. Recycled wood is also used. It helps protect the environment. Wooden toys are safe and classic. Wooden toys are safe and made from difficult driftwood. It's wood found near rivers or oceans. Natural shapes make it unique. Woodwork is loved all over the world. Every region has its own style. Some artists pass the skill over their children. Wood art is not just decor, it's a piece of art. So guys, if you are new here, so please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and make sure you press the bell icon so you don't miss any other amazing videos like this one. In today's video I will show you the most beautiful, latest and trendy collection of wooden stool design ideas in different styles, color combination and sizes. So please guys, watch this video till the end so you don't miss any other amazing designs. All the designs are very unique, trendy and beautiful. If you like any design, then please take the screenshot of it. And if you want to more home interior designs or wooden art designs and crafts, so you can please visit my channel and also do try my amazing decoration ideas at your home. Thank you so much for your love. And on my last video, today's video is going to be super exciting, so stay tuned till the end. Let's jump straight into today's topic. Before we begin, make sure give this video a make thumbs up. You guys have been asking for this one and it's finally here. And make sure to turn on the notification bell so you never miss any upload. Alright, without wasting any more time, so let's start it. Thank you so much for your love and your support, and thanks for those people who watch my video with the notification. So please guys, watch this video till the end and I will see you tomorrow with the new video. Till then, please take care of yourself and the people around you.